All right, now we're at the sales office. This is where we have all of our wonderful sales staff and their support. So Ryan in there used to be our general manager, has been with us for about 9 years. Josh and Alyssa, one of our leaders in the sales team, is in there. Got a small break room here for them. More sales offices. As you can see, some have people in them, some don't. People are constantly moving around, interacting with each other, collaborating, working on different things. Back here, we have just a lounge area for when customers come in. Sometimes we'll sit back here. Sometimes we will hop in the conference room. So at the moment, we have about 9 salespeople in the office. We've got 2 more in training. So our process is a little bit different, where it takes someone about 6 to 8 weeks of working in our actual business, which we call an apprenticeship, before they can become a salesperson or start selling. So they have to work in the sample lab, which you just saw. Then they go down to the warehouse, which we were at, learn how to pick and pack orders. They learn how the work order process, the batch records go, all the quality associated with that. They'll move over to distribution, learn how to ship out orders, all the nuances of incoming and outgoing shipping. And then they'll bounce over and they'll spend some time on each production line, the powder line, which we're about to see, the capsules, and then in quality control. Ultimately, they make it back here, if they make it that far, which a lot of people don't. And then they will come through and work on all the administrative paperwork, because there's a ton of paperwork from spec sheets, the back and forth that we have to do to get even the product teed up to go into production. So all that they have to learn, spend some time getting to know, so that they know the process, they understand what you need and how to get your product in and out as fast as possible. Another quick kind of point, something that we haven't really highlighted much, but we do, is the gusset pouches, the stand-up pouches. So we can do those for you in many different types of material. So it's kind of a eco-friendly, more economical way once you put your powders in bags. So. All right, so here's the lovely Sophia. She's coming along to up and next in the process to go through and become a salesperson, going through the process that we just talked about. Got Kurt here, a longtime friend of mine, one of our top guys. Rush, our VP of sales. And that's another unique thing about our company, is that 90% of the sales guys that we have I've known for 10 years plus. I know their work ethic, I know their personality, and they've come up and built this business with me. So it's a pretty unique environment.